So the story begins with Ryland Grace, a middle school science teacher who suddenly wakes up from a coma, but not in a hospital. He wakes up inside a spacecraft, completely alone. Two other crew members were with him, but they're already dead. And the worst part? He doesn't remember anything. Not how he got there, not what his mission is. Slowly, things start coming back. He realizes he's very far from Earth. So far that returning home would take over 100 years. Then we get flashbacks. We learn that Grace was not just a teacher, he was also a former scientist. And there's a global crisis happening. A mysterious organism called astrophage is consuming energy from the sun. If this continues, the sun will weaken, Earth will freeze, and humanity could go extinct. That's when a scientist named Eva Stratt recruits Grace. She shows him astrophage in a lab. It's a living organism that feeds on light. And surprisingly, it doesn't need water to survive. Soon, a massive mission is planned. Send a spaceship to a distant star system, Tau Ceti, because that star is not affected by astrophage. Somehow, it's safe. The plan is simple. Go there, find the reason, and send the solution back to Earth. But there's a catch. It's basically a one-way mission. Back in the present, Grace reaches Tau Ceti, but then something unexpected happens. He finds another spaceship. Not human, alien. At first, he's scared, but the alien ship tries to communicate. Eventually, Grace meets the alien and names him Rocky. Rocky is completely different. He's rock-like, lives in a different atmosphere, and doesn't even use normal language. But slowly, they learn to communicate. And here's the twist. Rocky is on the same mission, to save his own planet, because astrophage is affecting his star too. Two different species, two different worlds, but the same problem. Together, they start working. And finally, they discover something amazing. A microorganism on a nearby planet that can kill astrophage. Grace names it Taumiba. This is the solution. This is how they can save both their planets. But then another problem hits. Grace's fuel starts getting destroyed by Taumiba. If this continues, he'll be stranded forever. So Grace makes a decision. He prepares a probe and sends the solution back to Earth. Because saving humanity matters more than his life. But then he thinks about Rocky. If the same problem happens to him, his entire planet will die. So Grace turns back. He goes to save Rocky. Time passes, the solution reaches Earth, and Earth survives. In the end, Grace doesn't return home. Instead, he stays on Rocky's planet. The aliens create a safe environment for him. And what does he do? He becomes a teacher again, teaching young alien students just like he used to on Earth. And that's how the story ends. Not with him going back, but with him finding a new purpose.